Hello everyone. In today's topic we are going to see what are structural elements and frames. The complete building structure are divided into following elements. These elements are beams, columns, walls, slabs, bases and foundations. What are beams? Beams are horizontal members which carries lateral loads. Or what are lateral loads here? Lateral loads are are forces applied to a structure at its rigid joints and causes deflection. They these loads are responsible for causing deflection. Example of lateral loads are wind, earthquake and explosions. If the structure is regular in shape, medium in height, of typical importance, the lateral forces can be applied as static loads for analyzing purposes. Okay. Now, what are slabs? Slabs are horizontal plate elements which carries lateral loads. These are plate elements. And beams are horizontal member, just a horizontal member. Slab are horizontal plate elements. Now columns. Columns are vertical members which carries axial load subjected to axial load and moment. In columns, it carries a axial load and moment also come in columns, or we can say moment also play a role in columns. What are walls? Vertical plate elements resisting vertical, lateral or in plane loads. In walls, these types of loads are always comes vertical, lateral or plane loads. Bases and foundations. Bases, these are pads or strips supported directly on the ground that spread the loads from column or walls. These are pads or we can say strip, just a strip which support directly on the ground that spread, जो फैलाती है, जो लोड को फैलाती है कॉलम से, फ्रॉम कॉलम और वॉल से या कॉलम से जो लोड को फैलाती है, सो दैट दे कैन बी सपोर्टेड बाय द ग्राउंड, जिससे वो ग्राउंड के द्वारा सपोर्ट किए जा सके विदाउट एक्सेसिव सेटलमेंट, बिना सेटलमेंट हुए वो आराम से उस लोड को बियर कर सके, सह सके. Alternatively, the bases may be supported on piles. Okay. Now, what are these? Now, this is frame structure, or we can say a wall, column, and base foundation with foundation. These are frame structure. Here, first is single story portal. This is single story portal. Just a portal frame, just a portal frame. Second is what? Medium rise reinforced concrete framed building. Framed building. It is just a frame structure. It is single story and it is multi-story. Now third is reinforced concrete frame and core structure. This is reinforced concrete frame and core structure. This is elevation and on the other side it is plan of frame and core structure. Now we are going to see what are structural design. The first function in design is the planning, carried out by the architect to determine the arrangement and layout of the building to meet the client's requirement. The structural engineer then determine the best structural system or forms to bring the architect's concept into being. Construction in different materials and with different arrangement and system may require investigation to determine the most economical answer. Now, mainly once the building form and structural element have been finalized, the design problem consists of the following. These are structural design, how the structural design carried out. First, idealization of the structure into load bearing frames and elements for analysis and design. Second, estimation of loads. Third, analysis to determine the maximum moment, thrust and shear for design. Fourth is design of sections and reinforcement arrangement for slabs, beams, columns and walls using result come from point 3. Production of arrangement and detailing drawing and bar schedules. In first point, the structure will be idealized and analyzed, and its elements are analyzed. Second, we will estimate the loads. Third, we will analyze the maximum moment, thrust and shear. Fourth, design of section and reinforcement. Fifth, production of arrangement and detail drawing and bar schedules. These are the, what is this? This is part elevation of reinforced concrete building. Elevation, it is a elevation. This is column, wall, L beam, floor slab, column, base, building. Now B is section. This is section AA section shown here. C is what? C is section BB. B section. This section shows here from top. D is what? Continuous slab. Continuous slab. This is continuous slab. Here more than one column here. E is wall, just a wall. F is column base, base of a column. Now this is L beam. Isolated base. How isolated base looks? This is isolated base. Second is wall footing. Wall footing is look like this. C is combined base where more than two columns are combined. It is called combined footing, or here combined base. D is what? Pile foundation. Pile foundation looks like this in elevation. Its E is retaining wall which retains the earth. Now thank you for watching. Stay connected to me, stay connected with me, and keep sharing with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.